Hi, I'm Samantha from The Data Are All Right, and I'm back with another video about how to use Conga Composer for nonprofits or for everyone. So I'm here logged into my dev org and I have the NPSP installed, and I want to show you a cool tip about using the Lightning component that you can add to your Lightning record page that helps you access Conga. So over here, we're in a test opportunity or donation, and I have my Conga button over here. You can change your buttons however way you want, but ultimately those ways are limited because your buttons are part of a page layout, and your page layout is assigned by record type, and so all of your buttons for everything that happens in that phase, that record type, they all show up whether they're useful or not. And so in this case, this opportunity is posted, which is closed which is in the like closed one category of stages. And so it's useful to have the button show up for an acknowledgement letter. But if you were in the like pledged or prospecting phases of an opportunity, you really don't need a button to show up for merging the acknowledgement letter because the donation hasn't been committed and it hasn't the transaction hasn't occurred. So if you can imagine a scenario where you have a lot of Conga buttons, you might want to have them appear conditionally, which is one of the things that I love about using this really cool Lightning component that is free or complimentary. It's part of the Conga Composer package, and I have that loaded up over here. So same opportunity. I updated the stage to closed one, and now we can see that we have this button. And you can actually create like groups of buttons that show up together. They're called a solution set. What are they called? Well, we'll look at it together. And we can also just hide this whole component if it's not relevant. So if I change the stage of this opportunity back to pledged, then you'll see that the Lightning component is conditionally hidden, and that is you just using regular old Lightning page conditional visibility. So I dragged this over from my custom components. So it looks like this. Just added another one right below it. And you have to give it a collection. I'll show you how to make these solution collections. So this one has 2 solutions in it. And then you can make this whole thing conditionally visible. So in this case, I might want to do house. What would be a better? Well, you know the drill. Okay, I am not actually going to not make this. There we go. I'll show you the example that I already have. So I selected a solution collection, and then I put in a filter that this will only show up if the record is in a 1 stage, where 1 equals true. Something that's so cool is that you could just like have like 2 or 3 or 5 of these Lightning components and just have them show up in different ways and at different times. And I feel like that could really help staff as they're actually interacting with all of these tools. The last thing I want to show you is how to set up the Conga side of this. So I'm going to go to the Conga Composer app. I'm going to operate under the assumption that you already have Conga solutions that work, and you're just using the regular buttons. And you, the person watching this video. And so what I'm going to teach you is not how to build a Conga solution, but how to add solutions that you already have to a solution collection, and then you can use that collection to populate the component. So if you're in the app, if you haven't changed the tabs, then you should have Conga solution collection. If not, you can always search for it. And it's super simple. You just do create collection, you give it a name, and then you just pick like which solutions you want to show up there. It's as easy as that. I don't think that these will all work because these are actually start from different objects, but imagining that you had a bunch of different ones for opportunities or accounts or whatever, you could collect them, and you could even have more than one per record type. So you could have like, so what I did was I called this one, this is what we want to show when opportunities are closed one. Right now, there's only one button that we want to appear there, but we could have a bunch of other ones that are relevant for if it's like in a prospecting phase. So like we might want donor profile, we might want an appeal letter, we might want like an annual report or something, think of all of the things that you might want to merge. Once the opportunity has been pledged or committed, you don't need to merge those things anymore. So let's hide those buttons. You don't need a new page layout for that. You can do it all using this tool that is embedded in the Conga Composer framework. And I think that is nifty, underutilized. I hope you try it. Let me know how it goes. Bye.